Hello traders, it's me from Profit Path. Today's trading has Wall Street and global markets pausing with a key inflation data on tap. In India, all eyes are on RIL's highly anticipated AGM. But before we get into the details, let's quickly look at top news from overnight that can impact your portfolio. US stocks were flat yesterday as investors held back ahead of today's release of the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. The core PCE price index is expected to show that prices excluding food and energy rose 0.3% in July after a similar increase in June. A hotter than expected reading could bolster the case for the Fed to keep rates higher for longer. At 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time today, the Commerce Department releases personal income and consumer spending data for July. The reports could help investors gauge if the Fed will cut interest rates in September. So far, this earnings season has been better than expected, with 80% of S&P 500 companies having reported. Earnings are 6% above estimates, and revenues are 4% above estimates. This earnings season is being led by Nvidia, whose revenue guidance for next quarter topped estimates. On Wednesday, shares of the chipmaker rose 4%, and now the stock has rallied more than 10% in the last 2 days. Other tech names like Best Buy and Urban Outfitters are also reporting, drawing fresh attention to sectors that carry the market's momentum. Today, investors will watch a slew of economic data, including the core PCE price index, personal income, and consumer spending for clues about the Fed's policy path. And finally, the week will wrap up with the release of the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index on Friday. For today, all eyes are on the August jobs report, which comes out on Friday. Traders currently see a 93% probability of the Fed keeping rates unchanged in September, according to CME Group's FedWatch tool. Last month, the central bank skipped a rate hike, but signaled more tightening may come if inflation doesn't abate. Now let us turn our attention to India, where the markets are looking forward to the upcoming AGM of Reliance Industries, scheduled for today at 2 p.m. local time. At the AGM, the company is expected to unveil an IPO plan for its digital services business valued at $20 billion. It will also share updates on its AI platform JioBrain, which was launched in April to rival the likes of ChatGPT and Google Bard. Reliance aims to integrate JioBrain into its telecom and retail units to boost offerings and create new revenue streams. Recently, the company said it would invest 750 billion rupees in new energy ventures over 3 years. Today's AGM is eagerly awaited as it could reveal new details about these investments. Additionally, shareholders are keen to know about the performance updates for Jio and retail segments, as well as the company's future growth prospects. Reliance Industries is India's largest listed company with a market capitalization of 19.3 trillion rupees. Its shares closed 0.6% higher at 2,009 rupees on Wednesday. Today's AGM is widely seen as a key event for the Indian markets, and investors are closely watching what Mukesh Ambani, the billionaire chairman of Reliance Industries, has to say today. To sum up, US markets are in wait-and-see mode today, with data and earnings dominating the headlines. In India, RIL's AGM could send ripples across markets depending on what Mukesh Ambani reveals. What will catch your eye today? The Fed's inflation metrics or the RIL announcements? Do let me know in the comments below. And if you found this insightful, please hit subscribe. We bring you the smartest, most insightful market coverage there is. And if you want more such updates on your feed, follow us on social media. Until next time, I wish you happy investing.